Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a question, or maybe a few questions, I don't know. I don't know how long this is going to go on. I am still doing the bonus video, sneaky giveaways, on my channel, and I'll definitely be trying to post them, every day or as often as I can. My birthday weekend was this weekend. I had company and things going on, so I'm kind of a little off schedule. I do have some videos in the till that I've still got to, do voiceovers for. But today, what I came here to ask is, I got a massive package from Miss Becky, my nail fairy godmother. She has sent me massive packages before, stamping plates, polishes, stampers, nail doodads and bebobs and all that. I wanted to ask if y'all wanted to see that. It's actually so much that if I did it, I would probably do the stamping plates totally separate. I might break it up into 3 videos if y'all want to see that. Just leave me a comment down below and let me know. It's not to show off, but I know, there are some people that are interested in those sorts of things. I also did a Zoya haul that I never shared. I've worn a couple of the polishes on here. Let me know if you would like to see those. Nothing special. It wasn't like I bought collections. I might have bought a collection. I don't know. I might have just selected the perfect ones and pulled a collection into my cart without realizing it. Let me see. There's another thing too. Oh, speaking of my birthday and this weekend, I want to thank everybody that reached out to me on Instagram, email, YouTube, everywhere, and wished me a happy birthday. I really do appreciate it. This year was the year of, delaying events and things. Anniversaries got canceled, birthdays got canceled, going out, we just kind of put life on hold when it came to that sort of thing. But since our Indie Expo trip got canceled, Miss Tammy from Mrs. K's Corner came to visit me for the weekend, and so we got to meet face to face and hang out and talk polish and pets and families and food and all that good stuff. But what I'm trying to get to here is she brought me a bucket of polish. And when I tell y'all a bucket of polish, I mean like 40 polishes, okay? So let me know if y'all want to see what I got from her. I looked at her and I said, "Are you sure you want to give me all these?" And she informed me that they were all dupes. So for those of you that are polish junkies like us and we keep buying the same polishes over and over, I know you understand. I don't think I've ever had 40 dupes at one time, but I guess if you put them together over the years, I might have. So let me know if you want to see those. Like I said, I've just kind of gotten a little sidetracked. I also want to start one of the biggest requested videos I get all the time is show us your collection. And I've done like an overview, where I've shown drawers, like here's the OPI drawer, but I didn't go through them. I'm kind of thinking about starting a series, and it'll be a long series. I mean, it might take a year, and it of course will morph, but I was thinking about going on my shelves, go one shelf at a time, so that would be 6 videos. And then I would go one drawer at a time for my Helmers, which there's 2, 4, 6 drawers in each Helmer, and I have 5 of them. So they're not totally packed. Of course, by the time I get through making all those videos, they very well could be. Unless the girl gets around doing some more stashing, which I do plan on doing also. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys and see what you want to see. I've tried to back off on demo reviews. I've been turning down stuff right and left. Y'all know I got funky when the whole COVID thing hit, and life's just kind of gotten all out of whack, and I am still totally enjoying my mani cave and doing manicures and playing and taking my mind off of things that I can't do anything about. I am real happy in my happy place and enjoying it, but I don't want to be, in these times, I don't want to be pushing products or showing things or encouraging people to, you know, live outside of their means. I know a lot of us are struggling, hours getting cut at work, people losing their jobs, people having trouble paying their bills. I don't want to be a part of instigating any of that. You know, because I know this polish buying thing is seriously like a disease or a sickness or a habit or whatever you want to call it. And some of us just can't help ourselves. I know I'm one of those. I mean, I go through spells where I'm buying stuff like just a crazy woman, and then I have moments where I back off and I'm like, oh, good gosh, look at what you have and stop it, girl, you know. So there are times when I'm, you know, doing good and times when I'm doing bad. I don't want to encourage any of y'all to be bad. But if y'all want to see any of these things, you know, let me know. I kind of stopped doing haul videos, and like I said, demos and reviews, and I am still doing some, but it's pretty much selective. I'm being very picky about what I do. And this is the video, by the way, because I've just jumped in here to do it because I really need y'all's input. I don't want to put out videos that are not going to be watched. I mean, it's not worth my time or your time. So let me know. I've really been working my way back to just being a nail art channel, just showing manicures, but that takes a toll on my nails, either me using peel-off base coats or you know, acetone for removal. So it's just, you know, but I do really like changing mine out more often than I have been here lately. And it is different with my normal swatch hand being my short hand. That's really kind of freaking me out. My longer nails are on my dominant hand that I use all the time. So we'll see how well that works. So there you have my thoughts, where I'm at, what I'm thinking. Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see it all, you want to see some of it. If you think any of it's a good idea, a bad idea, just let me know. I just want your honest opinion. Like I said, I don't want to go to the time and trouble of making videos if they're not going to be enjoyed. I want my content to be, you know, enjoyed. I will, no matter what I end up doing, I will always be squeezing in my manicures. I record all of my manicures. I always share them, good, bad, ugly, whether I like them, don't like them, it doesn't matter. I share them. So that's it for me today. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody, you know, leaving me comments and jumping in on all my bonus video talk and those giveaways. I really do appreciate it. I haven't been able to keep up with comments in a while. You know, they kind of got away from me again. I am going to sit down, and if you've asked me a question, I promise I will sit down and answer questions, and I'll start trying to remember to put hearts or thumbs up or likes or something on there so that you know I've seen what you've said. You know, I'm telling y'all, time's just getting away from me. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you later. Bye.